In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a roller coaster track with array and curve modifiers. We'll be using a polygon curve object in this tutorial. To use the polygon curve object, you need to activate an add-on called Add Curves Extra Objects that can be found under File, Preferences, and Add-ons. Let's create a cylinder. Let's use the Move tool to move the cylinder like this. Remember to use the Move handle while moving the cylinder. Let's mirror the cylinder. We need to create a curve point, and press the 3D button. Let's extrude the curve. We need to click the midpoint and press V, as in Victoria, and A, as is alpha to smooth the curve. Let's bevel the curve like so, and make sure the fill mode is set to full. Let's convert this curve to mesh and apply the mirror modifier on the cylinder. We need to join these meshes by selecting all of them and pressing Ctrl J, as in Juliet. Go to Object Data, Normals, and Auto Smooth to fix the normal issue. Now we need to create a track. Let's add a curve point and start extruding. We need to click Sharp Edges. Press V, as in Victoria, and A, as is alpha to smooth them. Let's bring some of the curve points upward, by using the Move handle. Let's add array and curve modifiers. Change the fit type to fit length. Select the curve. On the curve modifier, let's select our curve. Select the object mesh, and rotate its Z, as in zebra, to 90 degrees. Press Ctrl A, as in alpha, and select all transforms. Looks good. Now I'll show you how to make a road the same way and compress time since I've already shown you how to make the roller coaster track. This is the end of tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.